We took this car into the tire shop to get the TPMS sensors replaced, and the TPMS sensors are integrated into the valve. Now, these two passenger side tires were slowly leaking air after we got it back from the tire shop. Could have been we picked up a nail in both of them, but I kind of suspect the new addition to the wheel here. So when you spray this guy, we can see there's no bubbling around the outside, so it looks like this guy's sealed to the wheel pretty well. But we got air bubbling out where the valve stem is, and this is a super simple fix if you have a valve stem tool, which looks like this little peg with a notch out of it, because the valve stem in there just isn't tightened enough. It might have come from the factory that way. With rubber valves, they take the valve stem out, they put a special tool in, they use that tool to pull it into the wheel. With these metal TPMS sensors, I don't think they do that, so I suspect this is a factory problem, not a tire shop problem. But basically, you just put this on the notch, tighten it up until it starts to feel a little tight, and now that valve stem is not leaking any air. Now, soapy water with soap in it, dish detergent, Dawn is what I use. Also works great for finding nails. You spray it all over your tire. Wherever the tire starts to bubble is where you have a leak. So this is what a valve stem looks like. So inside the valve, you have this little valve stem, and that rubber gasket is the seal. And so it has the notch of metal there that the tool screws in and out with. And so if your valve stem is bad, you can just buy a replacement valve stem and replace that very easily by screwing it out and putting a new one in. In this case, mine were just not tightened enough.